Sneaking?
Sneaking.
Nice. Look at this. Parts. Okay, go. Did Buddy come, or is he coming, or he quit?
I'm not sure. It's almost 2 o'clock. So.
Hopefully he comes.
Hopefully.
Okay, I'll be a couple hours. Smoke cigarettes. Nice. Okay, go. In a minute. Don't even know what the price is, but we're about to head down to Spanky's here shortly, so just start cashing in some scraps. $18,540. $11,320. Oh, we made her back, boys, without any Federonskis. Watch how happy the felon's gonna be. I gotta make sure my male companion has cigarettes. You know what I mean? Where hims? You hiding? Probably quit. The fence ain't cut. Oh no. Nope. Quit. I quit. Well, I sent him. I gotta make sure my male companion has cigarettes. Hey?
Oh, I appreciate it. Just messing around.
Couple darts, you know?
Yeah. I appreciate it.
Can dart or two.
Figured I'd practice taking it apart.
Nice.
Because I'm assuming this one was going to be scrap anyway, so.
This one was
the
Honda, I think. Right?
The Honda. Yeah, it was the Honda.
Right on. Nice.
Oh, nice.
Oh, good pop there at the end.
It definitely was.
Couple good Snickers. Look at this. Probation.
Oh no.
Back on probation. You can't even go half a day without being back on probation.
Oh,
For fuck's sakes. That's a good one too. I was probably holding the brake line on. Oh, probation.
Oh my god, more?
That one's from the siding. One of those aluminum
Is another
bastards. Yeah.
I found another one underneath here too.
Holy.
Yeah. Freaking everywhere.
Just forever be fucking popping tires with that. Oh, there we go. We got some brake calipers, AC pump starter, power steering pump, alternator, freaking tensioner, luminoids. Nice. All sparking the lay antlers. Holy dude. Scores! You're just gonna put them in a heap in the back of the shipping container, like right in the middle of the pile?
Yeah, totally.
Nice.
Yeah.
That helps.
That's why I cleaned it out like that.
Yes.
So I could just start making more heaps.
Yeah, so there's room in the middle to just make fucking giant heaps. You know, if we had a pile of 500 alternators right about in the middle, that'd be awesome.
Well, yeah, man.
Yeah.
I want to make sure that I have to work my ass off
Yeah.
to be able to get to any of them.
Oh, you sold one? Well, let's find that, eh? Oh, there we go, boys. Look at that load. It's a good Jag. Holy. Freaking awesome.
Got an idea. You know how there's the Kenny U-Pole place?
Yeah.
Have it like Inwood go find.
Yeah. Go find it. Yeah. It's like a f***ing Easter egg hunt. Oh, dear. Yeah. Thinking about selling the hot rod, boys. Anybody interested? And you've seen all the work's done to it. So, she's friggin' lickety McSplickins, but, you know, how many rigs does a guy need? And summertime's right around the corner. So we'll be driving the Grumman and the 83 and different things anyway, so, yeah. Anybody's interested, chuck an offer. Chuck an offer out. Going to be taking this son of a bitch on a bit of a road trip here shortly too, so just getting him all lippity splickins after the winter. Him's didn't like outside very much, like not so much at all. There's a lot of places hold water, like the top of this guy here, and yeah, top of the stuff and a bunch. Yeah, it's just very liquidy. Got to try to seal up the housing here. We'll put a piece of something on there, or something to seal her up against theirs. Probably be alright, maybe. A couple pieces of foam or something, you know. Oh, careful. Did you forget your cigarettes?
Yeah, don't worry, I got them.
Oh.
Don't worry about the pack.
Oh. Oh my. Look at the chooch, boys. Oh, friggin' forest is on fire. Huh? Hope you're happy. transport truck, or the dump truck there's just shook. Just sour big time. $11,648. Got the old Pontiac smidged her. Friggin' smidged her, boys. It's probably Buddy's good one too. So many messages for parts? Nice. Oh, hopefully with the good weather. Yeah, Wilfred's. Got their Wilfred's check. You just spend it in Inwood. Yeah, with a little scare there. There's water pouring out of some trapped component into the thing. The phone's like, oh, she's leaking. Holy shit, shut her down. But it was just water. Hopefully it was just water. That's what it appears to be anyway. But water likes to just sit on the fuel tank there. But on my new BM McCigarette, new one. She's got the dual kitties onto her, boys. She leaks big time though. Oh, must have a hole in the cigarette. But we'll strip her apart. Sell all the goodies over there. Oh, and I got terrible news, boys. I friggin' the other day I was sitting in the office there and I heard a bunch of commotion and Too Muchy screaming and yelling and dogs barking, and I look outside and Too Muchy's chasing after Polly Bexter's dog with a pipe. So I went outside and he said, my chicken, this and that. See, there's some of Too Muchy chicken right there. They chase them all over the place and then bite them and stuff. But yeah, so I had all this footage and paddywhack and everything, because he followed the dog to where the dog's from. And then of course paddywhack come out and wanted to know what all the commotion was about, why you're clubbing my dog with a pipe. And then Too Muchy's trying, my chicken. So I just told him, oh yeah, I think your dog's over there biting his chicken. So then we all went over there and there's all these spots, where there's feathers and stuff and all over the ground. The dog's got blood all over its face and stuff. And yeah, it was totally an awesome movie. And then I went and deleted the footage. So I hope you're happy about that. But I do have the reolink footage from when Too Muchy, when I first noticed what was happening. So we'll post that up there or whatever. And Paddywhack said, I don't even know why they keep getting these dogs. They got 3 of them now, and they wouldn't even get fed if it wasn't for me. Nobody pays attention to them. Blah blah blah. You know what I mean? In other words, I'm a friggin' footage deleting specialist. That would have been good footage. Too much he was choked.